Okay. Okay. Maintain controlling area, maintain versions, define ledger for CO version. What is this? Basically, we have a ledger for finance for every module, and we must attach CO controlling with this material, with this ledger, because CO does not get direct entries. All the entries are integrated. Okay. NAP controlling area and ledger is 0L NAP group. Okay. So the controlling area, all the entries that will be falling in ledger will be copied or reflected at the CO area through the ledger, because no direct entries happen in controlling. Okay. So every module has that records transactions are reflected in CO version, because it is matching or integrated with the ledger. Okay. Now, this is done. Next comes in profit center accounting, basic settings, set controlling area, NAP, controlling area settings, maintain controlling area settings. Okay, dummy NAP, it's already made. 2024 is activated. Legal valuation 20, controlling area currency. Fair enough. Activate direct posting, set control parameters for actual data. Okay, and NAP, line items, online transfer, which means everything will happen on real-time basis, and it will produce or reflect line items, not totals. Plan versions, maintain plan versions. Okay, zero is plan version for capturing plan and actual values. Now, plan is done at the beginning of the month and actual is calculated at the end of the month. So it captures both plan and actual values. Plan costing, actual costing. Plan overheads, actual overheads. Plan material valuation, actual material valuation. Okay, and based on that, of course, some production orders will be undergoing work in process, might not get completed within a month. So work in process, and RA is a result analysis. The result analysis basically it gives you an overview of what is the current scenario of product costing. Variance basically is the difference between plan and actual. So this is selected, controlling area settings, plan version. Okay, let me select this settings for each fiscal year. Integrated planning, copying allowed, 2024, double click, version locked. Exchange rate type P, which is for cost planning. Version for indirect activity allocation, we'll see this ahead. So we have 0 version for that. Okay, settings for profit center accounting. Settings for profit center accounting, new entries, 2024, online transfer, line items, exchange rate type P, value date, and NAP, enter, save. Okay, this is done. Basic settings are done. Master data, profit center, define standard hierarchy. Dummy NAP, plant 1 and 2 NAP. Okay, N101. Cost center accounting. Master data, cost centers. Okay, we will have to create KS from front end accounting, controlling, cost center accounting, master data, cost center, KS01, NAP, controlling area. Okay, we have N101, 102, 103, and 201. These are already made. So now let's go and start with our front end entries. General ledger, document entry. But first, let me just have a look at what is the master data we have created. Okay, ZAP 9, NAP. Existing value, what do you mean, NAP? You don't have a company code? What was it? Mhm. Hmm. NP01 was our company. Is it possible that? Okay, let me just check. NAP 9. Okay, NAP 9. FS 00. We don't have okay, liabilities, retained earnings account. We'll copy this. Copy to NAP 9. Field status variant is not available. Okay. Global setting, ledgers, fields, field status variants, assign company code to field status variants. NAP 9. Okay. L9FS. is 00. Okay, liabilities, retained earnings, copy, map 9. Now it will save, enter. Okay, now what do we want? Retained earnings account is done. We need okay, vehicle maintenance, map 9. We'll copy just to save time. Just to save time. Okay. Electricity charges, map 9. Salary, map 9. Advertising expenses, map 9. Telephone expenses, map 9. Travel expenses, rent account, okay. Liabilities done, material accounts, secondary costs, cafeteria charges, okay, plant, we'll need these later. Assets, VAT receivable, cash account, okay, cash account, map 9, enter, save. Okay, now master data is done. Document entry, FB01L, double, okay, 01, 01, NAP 9, 40, 400, 500. Okay, number is missing. Few details. Okay, details from here. Customizing. Continue without specifying project. Okay, copy to company code, copy to fiscal year. First, let's copy to company code. Number range fiscal year source company code will be 8842. NAP 9 is our destination. Execute. Yes. Interval added for 2024 also. No, it will not pose a problem. Okay. So enter. Okay, now what was 36? Cost center P 101. Okay. 40 and 400, 600. Tolerance range not entered. Okay. Continue. Tolerance range for employees. Now, this is basically you define the slabs, the highest slabs for entering amount per document that an employee can enter, and amount per open item that a person or an employee can process through the system to avoid any financial mishandling and corruption. Save. Save. Okay, enter. Okay, we'll have to restart this transaction at P01L, FB01L. 400, 500, enter. 36,000. What was N? Okay, N101. Now, field status variant basically controls this. Now, if you see, this is a star, which means this cannot be left empty. Others are optional. Other fields are optional. 40, 400, 600, 18, N1001, 50, 200, 691, 54. Okay. Anyways, let's post it for now. Item category. SM30. Maintain. Okay. NAP9. Inactive. Save. Let's do it again. We are entering a journal document. $27, 40, 400, 600. This is rent account. N1001, 50, 200, 691, 45. Display document overview. Now, basically, what we have entered is debit 45, credit 45. So credit is to cash account, and a debit is to the salary, and another debit is 18,000 to rent. Okay. So let's post it, and we'll see how. Okay, now this was posted in your system. Now let's check KSB1. Cost center report N1101, 01. Execute. Okay, we have 27,000 in this cost center, salary and rent account, 27 and 18, and it's 45,000. Okay. We can also change the layout of this report. How do we do that? Select layout. If we have already made some, we've already made one sample layout, which has transactions like the CO area, CO module transaction, and The reference document number, this is coming from finance. This is the CO area document number. Okay. Then we have, this is value in reporting currency, which is company code currency. And this is controlling area currency, which is USD. This is AED. Offsetting account is cash account, which is this 200,691. So basically, this is a smart way to actually have a look at cost center report. Okay. So let's stop over here for today.